So, good morning students. So, today we are going to start our new topic, and that is nomenclature of hydrocarbons and its carbon and its compounds. So, let's start our video. Okay. Nomenclature of carbon compounds. The first carbon compound that we have is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are basically compound of hydrogen and carbon. So, there are two types of hydrocarbons. First one is saturated hydrocarbon and second one is unsaturated hydrocarbons. So, what is the meaning of saturated hydrocarbon? Saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which have in which there is a single bond between carbon and carbon atoms, like that. Suppose that I have this compound hydrocarbon. Each carbon is surrounded by hydrogen, and this type of hydrocarbon have single bond only between two carbon atoms or carbon or hydrogen atom. That's why it is called saturated hydrocarbon. Means in case of saturated hydrocarbon there is a single bond. Right? Unsaturated hydrocarbons are of two types. First one is double bonded and second one is triple bonded. Means if there is a double bond between any of carbon, like suppose we have a carbon compound having this type of carbon compounds, in which if there is a double bond between any two carbon, if there is a double bond between any two carbon atom, 1 3 1 4 4, then this type of hydrocarbon is called saturated hydrocarbon or double bonded hydrocarbons. Means if there is a double bond between any carbon and carbon atom, then it is called double bond. Single bond, it's double bonded, and that is our unsaturated. Double bonded hydrocarbons are called alkenes. Single bonded hydrocarbons are called alkanes. Double bonded are called alkenes. What about triple bonded? If there is a triple bond between any two of carbon, like suppose that we have carbon-carbon triple bond. Suppose we have this compound. In this compound there is a triple bond between two carbon atoms. So if there is a triple bond between any two carbon, then that type of compound is called triple bonded hydrocarbon, or that is also called unsaturated, and name is alkyne. General name is alkyne. The group name is called alkyne. So basically we have three types of groups: alkanes, alkenes and alkyne. These are series basically. These are homologous series: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. If there is a single bond between carbon and carbon, then it is called saturated. If there is a double bond or triple bond between carbon-carbon atoms, then it is called unsaturated hydrocarbons. Now, let us understand the nomenclature of these type of hydrocarbons one by one. Okay. So, let us start our topic with First, alkanes. Before nomenclature, say this table. You should remember this table before nomenclature, so that you can do it very well. For single carbon, we use prefix methyl, meth. For if there is a 2 carbon atom in that compound, then name prefix start with eth. 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent, 6 hex, 7 hept, 8 oct, 9 non, and 10 dec. These are prefix. So there are two parts of this alkanes. First one is prefix plus suffix. Prefix is our meth, eth, prop, but, pent, hex root word, and suffix is if it is double bonded, if it is single bonded. If there is a single bond, then suffix is in. If there is double bond, then in. If there is triple bond, then ein. Right? So first is alkanes. Alkane means ANE. Right? So suppose that we have a compound. A general formula of this is CnH2n plus 2. Means number of hydrogen atom is 2 more than carbon, 2 more than, sorry, if there is a, let us understand it with some example. C2H, 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6, right? Now, what is the name of that compound C2H6? There is a hydrogen, the hydrogen is 2 times more than carbon plus 2, right? Means CnH2n plus 2. This formula is followed by that compound. So, what is the name of that compound? Let us first draw the structure of that compound. There is 2 carbon and 6 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, what is the name of that compound? So, first of all, there is a single bond between carbon and carbon. So, our suffix should be N. And what will be our prefix? So, there are 2 carbon atoms. For 2 carbon atoms, our prefix is eth. So, ETH, eth is our prefix and suffix is N. The name of that compound is ethane. Okay. Let us take some more example. For C4H10, C4H10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because it is alkane, there is single bond between carbon and carbon atom. So, what is the name of that compound? C4, number of carbon is 4. For number of carbon is 4, then our prefix is but. But. And for single bond, our suffix is ane. Name of that compound is butane. Right? Okay. Now, for alkene, means if there is a double bond between carbon and carbon atom, then our suffix is ENE. Right? Suppose that if C4H8, number of hydrogen atom is just double than carbon, then there should be a double bond between carbon and carbon atom. For double bonded carbon atom, what will be name? Name is for C4, it's but, and for double bond it's ENE. Name is butene. How we can draw the structure of that butene? There are 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is double. Alkene means there should be a double bond between carbon and carbon. So you can draw a double bond between any two carbon. So here there is a double bond between carbon carbon. Rest one will be single bond. 2, 3, 4. So carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, and what about hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. C4H8. There is a double bond between carbon and carbon atom. You can take double bond on this carbon also. Means there is a single place where double bond is there, right? So that is called our butene. Take one more example. Suppose that we have C2H2. Number of carbon is 2, so prefix is eth, and number of hydrogen is 2 less than double of carbon, means that is CnH2n minus 2, means there is a triple bond between carbon and carbon. There is a triple bond between carbon and carbon. So our suffix is YnE, right? How to draw the structure of carbon? Carbon triple bond carbon, because there is only two carbon. One is hydrogen, one is hydrogen. That is the structure of C2H2, and that is the nomenclature of that unsaturated hydrocarbon. Okay, let's take one more example. C3H6. Number of hydrogen atom is double than carbon, then there should be triple bond between, double bond between carbon and carbon. If it is C3H6 minus 2 means 4, C3H4. What is the name of that compound? So there is a triple bond between carbon and carbon. Value of carbon, number of carbon is 3. For 3 carbon its prop, prefix is prop, right? For triple bond our suffix is YnE. So name is propyne. What is the structure of that carbon compound? There are 3 carbon atoms. You may take triple bond here or here. Okay. Valency of carbon is 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, right? Now, number of carbon atom is 3, number of hydrogen atom is 4. That is called propyne. So, that is the way of our nomenclature of hydrocarbons. Okay, let's take one more example. What is the nomenclature of C5H8? C5H8. So prefix plus suffix is nomenclature. Prefix for C5 is pent. H8 means there is a triple bond. If there is a triple bond, then our suffix should be YnE. Name is pentyne, right? Draw the structure of C5H8. 1, 2, 4, 5 carbon. There is a triple bond between carbon and carbon atom, and you may take triple bond here or here or here between any two carbon. Okay, so take triple carbon here. Three, 4, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen. That is the structure of pentyne. So, thanks for today.